Hey guys, I just want to make a quick video and talk to you about kind of a fast way to start affiliate marketing in your business, even if you don't use it. So if you have any kind of online business, you're probably using some type of tool. And I know for me, one of the ones that I use is ClickFunnels, and I promote it a lot because I use it a lot. And it's just kind of an awesome tool. So the cool thing is that I can just kind of promote it passively through like a channel that I set up on YouTube. And it's just, yeah, it's, even if you're not good at it, it's just ClickFunnels is so awesome, and they're so awesome at selling it that you can make it work. So I'm just going to try to flip the camera around if I can. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, obviously I don't know. Good grief. Anyways, I'm going to turn this so you can see. So I hope it shows up. Let's see. That's what I want to show. 43, 94, 55. And yeah, just money that I've made, affiliate money, just by promoting ClickFunnels kind of passively. And just because their product is so awesome, if you literally just point anybody in the direction of it and let them take over, good things will happen. So when I first got started in affiliate marketing, I didn't even understand the concept of taking an affiliate product and turning it into an offer. So if you can do that, if you've taken the One Funnel Away challenge, you'll kind of understand what I'm talking about there. And you can go and actually take your affiliate marketing to the next level and see what I mean. If you go to seanbailey.com/challenge, you'll see I've gone and taken the offer of the One Funnel Away challenge or taken the product of the One Funnel Away challenge and turned it into an offer by adding my own bonuses to it. If you go to seanbailey.com/fast track, you'll see how I did the same thing for funnel scripts. So if you look at the offers themselves, as far as what I'm offering, it really didn't take a lot of time and effort and work to go and create that and make it happen. And it's just another source of revenue, right? That's what you want, is multiple streams of revenue coming in versus just one solo stream. Because if something happens to one of your streams of revenue, you still got the other ones coming in, right? So go check that out, and yeah, look at your business, look at the tools that you're using, and find out if you can be affiliates for it. Like, that's just one product that I use. Like Camtasia is another product that I use because I create videos, right? Basically any online product. Go to the bottom of their page and see if they have a link that says either affiliates or partner, something of that nature. Thanks for watching this. I'll see you in the next video.